Number 16, make the bed. It means to neatly arrange the sheets and covers of a bed.
Every morning, I make the bed after getting up. Every morning, I make the bed after getting up. He made the bed before leaving for work. He made the bed before leaving for work. She always makes the bed in the guest room. She always makes the bed in the guest room.
Number 17, make breakfast, tea, a meal. It means to prepare the first meal of the day, to prepare tea, or to prepare food to eat.
I'll make breakfast for us tomorrow morning. I'll make breakfast for us tomorrow morning. Please make tea while I finish this letter. Please make tea while I finish this letter. She loves to make a meal for her family. She loves to make a meal for her family.
Number 18, make a phone call. It means to use a phone to call someone.
I need to make a phone call to my mom. I need to make a phone call to my mom. He made a phone call to book the tickets. He made a phone call to book the tickets. Can you make a phone call to the doctor? Can you make a phone call to the doctor?
Number 19, make plans. It means to arrange or schedule activities for the future.
Let's make plans for our vacation tonight. Let's make plans for our vacation tonight. She made plans to meet with her classmates. She made plans to meet with her classmates. They always make plans for the weekends. They always make plans for the weekends.
Number 20, make friends with. It means to form new friendships.
It's easy for her to make friends with others. It's easy for her to make friends with others. Children make friends with each other quickly. Children make friends with each other quickly. He made friends with his colleagues at work. He made friends with his colleagues at work.